gosh, like, can I say something about these like rehab shows? Oh my goodness, like you don't put people, you don't do an intervention, throw a hood over somebody, throw them in the back door of a van and drop them off at a treatment center. It's just simply not how it works. Those intervention shows are one of the worst things that has happened to the addiction treatment system. People are not ready, and that's not how we bring somebody in without a plan. We're just going to dump them at a residential treatment center. Well, what happens when they leave here? What's in place in the community, you know? People need to be ready to come here. And ready to come here means that you have stable housing, you have a source of income, you have a support network, and you have a plan for continuing care when you leave.
If you or a loved one are looking for help with substance abuse, call our 24/7 helpline at 1-800-615-1067. A caring addiction advisor is awaiting your call.